Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a property manager at the Reserve at Wyomissing for Larken Associates. What I like best about my job is meeting incoming residents exactly where they are in their life. Whether it's a student coming from another country, it could be a single mom renting for the first time, it could be a divorced dad moving from across the country, and then also the residents that are already on the property. I also enjoy working with my team, from my accountant to my director of property management and everybody that I've met along the way. Being a part of Larken Associates has afforded me the opportunity to have a sense of balance in my life. For the first time in my working career, I am able to keep my cup full, and I'm able to drive to work every day with no stress, look forward to my job, and have that work-life balance once I leave the property. Prior to coming to Larken Associates, I was a property manager in tax credit housing, and prior to that, I had a lengthy career in hospitality. I have a 16-year-old son. I also have 4 dogs who are like 4 more children. And in our free time, we like spending time outdoors, especially this time of the year, spending time in the yard, the garden, riding a bike, just anything really where we're together as a family unit. Something I would love to check off my bucket list is opening up a map and letting my son pick anywhere in the world that he would like to go to celebrate all his accomplishments and achievements this far in his life.